In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change Instagram notification sound. Make sure you stick till the end. If you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell in order to not miss any videos from our channel. Now let's move on to the video. Firstly, open up the Instagram app. Now from the home screen, tap on profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. And now again tap on three lines on the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on settings option from the menu. Now tap on notifications. Now again tap on post, stories and comment. Now scroll to the bottom of the page and tap on additional option in system setting. Now again scroll a bit down and tap on Instagram Direct. Now from this section tap on sound option. Now choose the sound that you want and tap on apply. After that, your notification sound will be changed. That's how you can change Instagram notification sound. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. I will be back with more videos. Keep watching.